Hi everyone, Lisa for the Graphics Fairy. Today I have a quick tip for you and it's a DIY rust recipe. You can mix this solution together with just 3 ingredients that you probably already have around your house, and the solution will allow you to take metal objects and give them a rusty patina. I think the rusted elements work so well with the vintage images from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. You can see here's a journal cover that I'm working on, and I printed this out. It's a printable from the Luna the Magical Queen bundle, and I added this antiqued nameplate that I just rusted using the solution, and I think it looks great together. So let me show you how easy this is to do. The first thing that you'll need is a metal object. You can use anything. These are just 2 things that I had around the house. This one, even though it looks like bare metal, it probably has a clear coating or a varnish from the factory. So you just want to go ahead and sand that off. This one has kind of a painted powder coating. So I sanded that down to bare metal. And you'll just need some sandpaper. I have a sanding block. About 80 to 120 grit seems to work well. You will need some distilled white vinegar, and you'll also need some hydrogen peroxide and some ordinary table salt, and you'll need a plastic or a glass container to mix the solution up in. So let me show you how easy this is to do. I like to just wear some painter's gloves, which I happen to have on hand when I'm mixing this. And you'll just need to start a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar. And then you'll need also 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And then you'll just need 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna add that and give it a quick stir. And that's all there is to it. Now take your metal piece and just sand it. And drop it down into the solution and allow it to sit for about an hour. It might take a little longer. You can keep checking back till you see that you have the desired patina that you're looking for. Here's one that I did earlier, and let's go ahead and see what we have. Look at that. Here's the before, and you can see how rusty the after is. And this is just so easy to do. I hope that you will give it a try. You can use any kind of metal objects. I was thinking little keys might be fun to try. All kinds of little metal objects that you find around the house. I'd like to thank Beth Wallen of Beth's Journal Boutique for this tip. And make sure you leave any comments or questions below. And please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe here at the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. We'll keep bringing you quick tips every Friday. Thanks everyone, take care, bye-bye.